Hey guys, this is how to fix full screen is not showing error in your YouTube. So let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your YouTube and then check here for any of the video that this gear icon is working, like the full screen icon is working or not. If not, then what you need to do, simply move back one step and right here simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on settings, click on the general tab here. So right here you have to just scroll down and find an option of zoom to full screen. Enable this option here and then close all of your apps and again try to open any of the video of your YouTube to check that if the full screen is working or not. If not, then you just need to tap and hold on your YouTube app. Now click on app info, click on storage and cache. First click on clear cache, then click on clear storage and then OK. Right after that, you have to simply open your Play Store and now search here for your YouTube and check that if any update is available. So simply click on the update option here. After updating your YouTube, you just need to again open and check that this time your full screen will work in your YouTube. And that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.